After the part is complete, we're going to go to the File, New, and this, make sure you go to this position, click on the arrow, and for this part is in English or inches, so I'm going to click English. I'm going to come down to ANSI, inches, IDW, click it, click Create. It brings up our title block. I'll go to Base, and this part automatically came in. If not, you would have to go here and browse to your folder and select the drawing that you want. Now, I've done this several times. This is a good scale. If I needed to change it, I could come here and go like 1.5 or 0.75, and it would reduce it. But 1 to 1 is pretty good scale, so I'm going to hit 1, hit OK. And I'm just going to click that little red box and hold down the left mouse and drag it up a bit. And if it takes you out of the views, you can go back here to projected, get that red box, click it, click the top view, right side, and isometric. Once you have that, right click and then left click create. Go to annotate, go here to center mark, click the outside circle of these center marks. And what I like to do, I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to bring this, you can see the little red box come up around it. I'm going to move this view down temporary, zoom into it where I can pick up these dotted lines, and I'm going to create I want to find out where the edge of this circle is, right here. So I can go to transfer that up, click this center mark, hidden line, and this one, and it puts my center mark here. I'm going to pan this over. I hold down my middle mouse and kind of move up, and I know it's going to be this one and this one. Now I can zoom back out, hit escape. I can drag that back up. I'm going to come over here and drag this one a little bit closer. Zoom in, go back to center line bisector, locate the edge of that circle right here and right here. Come over, find that one, and this one will give me the center mark. Okay, now that I have that, I can hit escape, hold down the left mouse, drag that back over. Dimension command, you want to go here, click the outside edge and the center mark, drop that in, hit OK, and then you can go from the bottom to the right. I'm just clicking that center line right here, coming over, dropping it in, hit OK, and then I'm going to touch the outside of the circle, come down, hit OK. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this circle. Outside line, center mark, drop that in, hit OK. Bottom line to here, drop that in, OK. Touch the outside edge, put that in, hit OK. I like to come over here and put my overall height. And I like to put my thickness here. Hit OK. And then, still in dimension command here, click this line, that one, drop that in, click this one, and what I'm going to do is go right to that corner, click it, drop it in. This one, that corner, I'm going to come out here, select OK, this one, that one, drop it in. And let's see if there's anything else. We can get the overall length. You could put that up here if you like. And then come over, that's pretty much all we need. You could come in here, select this line and that line and get an angle. We could drop that in if we like. Now, when we come down to the title block, go to text, and I'm just going to click in here, and I'm just going to let this be your name. Highlight the text, come up here and select 240. Hit OK. Come down here, type in chapter, whatever it happens to be. In this case, it is chapter 2.2. Highlight the text, back up here, 0.240, hit OK, and then come up here in the space and just hit escape. Come back to your name, hold down the left mouse, center that up. Same here. Okay, and what I normally do, again, I come here with a text, click down here, and I'll type in material, colon, space, and I'll just say carbon steel. Highlight everything, back up, 240, hit OK. Just hit escape, and you can move that down here somewhere. So that's pretty much how you dimension 2.2. This one, we don't put any dimensions, or we just bring it in as an isometric and leave it.